I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Instagram. You made a certain post and you have enough likes and you don't want to add it to for someone. You don't want people to know, oh, this person has had likes, the person has gone likes. You just want to hide it for yourself, limit a little time. You later go back and turn it on. How do you do that? Just for a privacy settings, you know that. So what you need to do is open your Instagram. When you open your Instagram, you need to the first thing is click on the zero profile, then you click on the zero three line, then you go down, you scroll down your phone, scroll down your phone till you reach like and share count. Just click on it and you can see add likes. So they said on Instagram the number of likes on posts on reels from other accounts will be hidden. You can hide the number of your accounts on your post and reel. You can you can do anything, you can view, you can repost anything. So what you need to do is just click on this and the likes is going to hidden for just a little time. You can just open it back. Maybe you're doing a game that someone should just suggest what this post, how many likes is there. You can just like a phone. So you can just come here, turn it on and turn it off. It's very simple. So guys, if this really helps you, please subscribe, like and drop a comment. Thank you guys.